cooking because I'm able to give to others and see their reactions. It's just one of my favorite things to do.
I fell in love with cooking when I was 12 years old. I just loved seeing the look on people's faces whenever they ate my food, and it just brought them joy. And bringing them joy brought me joy.
Pro Start is a competition where hundreds of kids compete to create 6 plates, appetizer, entree, and dessert in 60 minutes in a 10 by 10 square.
So there are 4 or so judges walking around while we're competing, and they will judge our sanitation, our cleanliness in the square. And then there is a set of 3 judges after, once we present the plates, that will judge our plates on uniformity. They judge whether or not we got every component on our menu onto the plate, and then they judge the food itself.
Some of the challenges we face while cooking is how we have to only have 2 burners, and we're not allowed to do any mise en place beforehand. All of it's done within 20 minutes before the actual cook time starts. I've been doing Pro Start for 2 years now. I really like how involved the industry is with it. If you apply to culinary school, they ask if you've done Pro Start or any competition like that.
So the reason I decided to join Pro Start this year is because the team last year, they were praised as being the best of the best, and I wanted to reach that point. And in my mind, the best way to get there was to follow in their footsteps.
Last year, when I did Pro Start, my team won first at TPSI, Texas Pro Start Innovational, and we got 4th place at National Pro Start Invitational. I feel like it really prepared me for this year coaching my team. In order to be successful, you really have to have a sense of urgency, and I was able to implement that with my team this year.
Chef Rob has pushed us since day one, not to beat the other teams, but to beat ourselves. So the goal for every practice that we do is to beat ourselves from last time, beat our time, beat our performance, beat our cleanliness.
I'm really confident in my team. I believe we can win. We definitely have potential to win. With all the time and effort we put in, I think we can do it.